This is the before. That's actually his new bed there. Before I redo my son, my oldest son, who just graduated from college, yes, with his bachelor's degree. Go Trey, go Trey. So he wants his room black, so I'm honoring his wishes. I've already bought a new bed. I'll be painting the nightstand and the dresser, and then all of this is going out. I'm gonna give that to Goodwill. I got new curtains, and then he's bringing his TV back from college, so I'll be putting that TV in my office. And then I got rug, mattress, everything, because he's getting a queen size bed this time, and I'm gonna go get him a new lamp. That's actually the lamp that go with my set upstairs. I just threw it in here when we first moved in, and I ain't never bought another one. So, because I knew I was eventually gonna do his room. So, only thing I'm not gonna do, which needs to be clean, is change his ceiling fan right now. I'm gonna change out the ceiling fans in all the rooms of the house, but I'm gonna do them a little by little. And as you can see, that is really dusty. So I'm gonna clean that and get his room all nice and tidy before he comes home. All right, y'all. This is what we got so far. I did hit the ceiling a little bit, so I have to go back over there with white paint. And also, I have to touch up, you know, the top parts of the wall, but I still have this side and just behind here, because I've already did part of this, and just the rest of this wall to paint. My goal is to get the whole room painted tonight. Paint the dresser and the nightstand. If it's not late, start that also tonight. But we're gonna see. And I just found out he's coming home Saturday and not Sunday, so I've been cut a day short. So I am trying to get all this stuff done really fast, y'all. So this is another update. I have already finished painting his room, and I also got the dresser and the nightstand painted. So I'm about to get ready to put his bed together, and that's going to be pretty much it, other than me putting everything on his wall and stuff and touching up the little spots that I messed up. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of upcoming projects in my house, and I'll also be doing a lot of declutter and organization. You know, I just love to decorate and do all types of things. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you are aware of when I drop videos. And stay tuned for the final reveal. All right, y'all, this is the final results of the room. Now I'm waiting for his mirror. I bought him a long mirror and a lamp that's supposed to come in today. If it does come in, I will get a picture of that and insert it right here. But I will link where I got everything. Well, I will link what I can down in the description below. But the bed came from Walmart. The duvet cover, the rug, and the curtains all came from Amazon. And then the pictures and the tea, the canvas, the wall canvas of the map, and that little light bulb picture and the tea came from Hobby Lobby. Now that light bulb picture, you get a little closer, as you can see, there's a switch on the side, so that actually lights up. I thought that was very interesting and cute. It does take I think 2 or 3 AA batteries. I need to put batteries in there, but it is a test button in the back where you can see it light up. But I know he's gonna love that, so that's like extra light where he don't have to run his big light. And then the shelving, the floating shelves came from QVC. I got those a while ago. I was gonna put them in my bathroom, but the ones I want them to be a little longer to go in my bathroom, so I just put them in here. And I just added a little bit of his things on the shelving, and I gave him one of my little plant babies because the snake plant helps with the air in your bedroom when you're sleeping. So, and he has sinus problems. So, and then this is his actual curtain rod. I got ready to put his curtains up and realized that the brackets for the rod were missing, so I had to put his curtains up with the old rod that he had, and you see they're dragging. So when I do put his curtains up, I will raise it up to the ceiling. But yeah, this is it, y'all. This is his little masculine, look at my dogs, little masculine space. I told him I actually want to keep this for myself. But yeah, I know he's going to enjoy it, and I am going to try to get his reaction when he comes in. Hey, Jay! You like your room, Jay? Look at it. Good God, girl. Hey, Willow. Hey, girlfriend. Hey. Oh, girlfriend. Oh. Like it, Trey? What do you look? That light, that picture over there light up for real. It's a switch on it. It needs batteries. Willow. Hi, Willow. Oh, Willow. Yeah. What do you think about your new room, Trey? What?
I like it now.
I'm a decorator, Trey. I'm a decorator.